Can you make it? Can you do it? Can you do it, Allie? Oh. You'll do it. Okay. Allie, 14 months old. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Big Al. Big Al. Whoop. Oh, boy.
Those noises. I'll wear her out.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Good exercise. Just look good. Either that or she'll wake up wanting to do it in the middle of the night. She could just reach across and grab the other side of that and pull herself up.
I thought there were holes there. She could.
There is.
She just doesn't know.
Yeah.
Couldn't get there? Can you bring those to Grammy? You getting the kitty bowls for me? Bring them to Grandma. Bring them to Grandma. Come on. Bring them to Grammy. Hey, Allie Pooty. Gotta bring them to Grammy. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa.